Hey.
What are you doing?
Daddy, you don't understand. Something the smell is not smelling.
Try and be the smell is not smelling. What rubbish are you talking about?
Oh God, you don't understand the scent.
There's
How
something
many-
in my house.
How many times did you?
Come they go.
No wait, how
Come
many
they
times
go, your
did you?
father's house. Come they go, come they go. Come on, come on, come on, come they go, come they go. Come
I
they go.
do you now. I just tell you truth. I just that is now. See problem. I just tell you say make you bath at least 2 times a day now.
What do you mean for my own house?
The smell is
Come
not
they go,
smelling.
come
You
on,
know
come
they
on.
give.
Come they go, your father's house. Come they go.
Daddy, wait now.
Come they go, your father's house. Which kind of smell is not smelling? For my own house? Huh? They go, they go, they go, they go.
But see, you know, say
They go your father's house.
God, Chineke. See, person. Hey. Person don't pursue me because of I tell them truth. It's like no balance. So imagine. Hi, God, man, eh? If person now tell you the truth, una they complain. See, person don't pursue me. Hey, God, Chineke. Imagine, una they buy land, una they buy Benz, una they buy expensive stuff. Come on, deodorant, una no sabi how to buy. Hey, child, God, Chin. Even my slippers, I'm not even carry up. You know, one open my. Hey, God, fiakwa, iti boribo. See, Make at least 2 times a day, man. Bath 2 times a day. I take God beg una. What is all this? Now wow.